Students, in this lecture we are going to discuss 4-5 important questions that you may face difficulty in solving or that may be useful for your final exam. In this, the first question I am going to solve is question number 5 that is given in your book at page 98. What is this question? Question is, in a sample of measurement, in a sample of 12 measurements. So there are two samples he is talking. So if we talk about the first sample, a sample of 12 measurements means n is equal to 12. 12 measurements are there. Has a mean of 16.5. Clear? Mean of 16.5. If n1 is equal to 12, there are 12 measurements. Mean is 16.5. So, okay, this is the question. What is the second sample he is talking? Second sample. And in the second sample, there are 15 measurements. And the mean is 18.6. What he is asking? He is asking find the mean of all 27 measurements. Clear? There are mean of 12 is 16.5, mean of 15 is 18.6. You need to find the mean of 12 plus 15 is 27. But it is not this plus this upon 2. No. Because it is different. Here the number of measurements are 12. Here the measurements are 15. So it is different. So in first case, if I talk about the formula of the mean, it is x1 is equal to sigma x1 upon n1. x1 bar is given. So it is 16.5. It is sigma x1 upon n1 is 12. So what is the value of sigma x1? Sigma x1 is 16.5 times 12. And if you will multiply it, you will get 12 times 5 is 66. 12 times 6 is 72 plus 6, 78. So 7 and 12 times 1 plus 7 is 19. So 198. This is the first one. If we talk about the second one, so mean of x2 is the formula sigma x2 upon n2. And the mean here is 18.6. And this is sigma x2 upon n2 is 15. So what is the value of sigma x2? The value of sigma x2 is 18.6 times 15. And it is 15 times 6 is 99 is the carry, and 15 8 is 120 plus 9, 129, 12, 15, and it is 27, 279. So what is the mean? Mean of all 27. So mean of all 27 will be x bar is equal to the sum of all the values plus for the first sample sum of all the values for the second sample and total values. Clear? So it is 198 plus 279 upon it is 12 plus 15, and it is how much? Now 9 and 8. 17, 1, 7, 8 or 9 and 8. 17, 1 and 2, 3 and 1, 4. 477 upon 27. And if you will divide it using calculator, so it is 477 divide 27. So it is 17.66. So the mean is 17.6. Clear? So if two different samples are given, their number of values are given, means are given, you need to find the sum of total attributes, whatever the values are there. You need to find the sum of first one, sum of second one, and then you need to use the formula. This is called weighted mean. Okay, this is question number 1. Now, if we talk another important question, it is question number 6. That is the next question on page 98. What he is saying? He is saying that the mean and median is 12 for n is equal to 9 values. There are 9 values are given, and for those 9 values mean and median is 12. Okay, 7 values are, let us arrange them in the ascending. Oh, it is automatically arranged in the ascending order. 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 17 and 19. This is the ascending order. Clear? How many values are here? 9 values are here. 9 values are here means what will be? It will be the median is equal to, median is how much? It is n plus 1 upon 2th value. Why? Because the value of n is odd. Clear? Value of n is odd. So it will be 9 plus 1 upon 2th value. It is 10 upon 2. It is 5th value. And the 5th value is 12. 5th value is 12. Clear? So if you see 5th value is 12. So how many total values? Is 9. So 5th is the middle value. Clear? So if we arrange these 7 values, so after 12 there will be 4 values. Clear? So 4 values will be this side. That means now revised ascending order is 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17 and 19. And this value is 5th value. This is the 5th value. Clear? 5th value means one value will be coming this side. Okay. So we have given two conditions. One is the median condition. So one value we have evaluated. They gave 7 values. We need to find the missing 2 values because their total values are 9. So this is 12 will be at 5th place. So one value will be, we need to find it here. That will be found through the condition of mean. Clear? Now mean is equal to how much? It is 12. So what is the formula? X bar is equal to sigma x upon n. Okay. So what we do? Let the missing number is, A. Okay. So it will be x bar is equal to 12 is equal to how much? It is 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus, oh no, not 13. It is plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 17 plus 19 and plus 1 missing number. Clear? And this is upon 9. If you simplify this, what you will get? 12 is equal to, now start calculator. 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 17 plus 19. This is 102. So what it is? It is 102 plus A upon 9. Solve this equation. It is 102 plus A equal to 1 12 times 9 and 12 times 9 is 108. So this implies A is equal to 108 minus 102, that is 6. So we need to find the two numbers because median is always exist in the data. Median is the value if n is odd. If n is even, maybe the median is not available in the data. But if n is odd, definitely the median is from the data point. That's why we include the number 12 here. Understand? Median is included now. Now I told you this is the fifth number. This will be at fifth place. So we fixed it at fifth place. Okay. So one number is missing here. Anywhere. Maybe after 7, maybe after 9, maybe before 11, something like that. Anywhere. So we got it. It is 6. So there are two numbers. Two missing numbers are what? What are the two missing numbers? Two missing numbers are 6 that we calculate with the help of mean and 12 that we calculate with the help of median. Okay, this is question number 2. Now, one of the questions that I want to explain you, this type of question we ask many times in the final exam. This is just, I'm taking a question. What is the, some data values are given. Data values are given. You can take some data values like 3, 7, 6, 5, 12, 10, 14 and 15. Clear? What you need to find? You need to find all things. Mean, median, mod, okay, range, standard deviation and variance. You need to find all these 6 things. You need to find this and this. In this case, because standard deviation and mean are related and then variance, so first we will find the 3 things. What is the first thing? First, we are going to find the range. This is the easiest thing. Range is the largest value minus lowest value. Okay. So what is the largest value? Largest value is 15 in this. And what is the lowest value here? The lowest value here is 3. Clear? So how much is the range? Range is 12. Okay. Now number 2. We will find the mod. Mod is the easiest thing. Mod means number repeated maximum number of times. Maximum number of times. Any number is there. 3 is not repeated. 6 is not repeated. 5 is not repeated. So there is no value repeated. No number repeated. Clear? And if no number is repeated, the answer is 0. Clear? So the mod in this case is not 0. It is no number repeated means no mod. That you need to remember it. No mod. Number 3 is median. Clear? But for median, you need to arrange the data in ascending order. So let us arrange it 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 14 and 15. This is the ascending order. And then median is equal to, because how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is equal to 8. 8 means even. And in case of even, what is the formula? N by 2th value plus N by 2 plus 1th value upon 2. And that is 8 upon 2 is the 4th value plus 8 upon 2 plus 1. 8 upon 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5th value upon 2. What is the 4th value? 1, 2, 3, 4th is 7 and 5th value is 10 upon 2. 17 upon 2 and 17 upon 2 means 8.5. So median is 8.5 in this case. Okay. Now we'll move to the fourth thing. What is the fourth thing? Is mean. Mean is how much? It is, let us write the notation x bar, and it is sigma x upon n. How much it is? You just write 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15 upon how many numbers are there? Total numbers are 8 numbers. And if you will find the sum, it is how much? 8 plus 6, 14 plus 7, 21, 31 and 12, 43, 43 and 14 is 57 and 15, 72 on 8. This is 9. Okay, so this is what? This is the mean. And the fifth one is S, standard deviation. And what is the formula? It is sigma. In case of simple data, it is upon n minus 1. And how to calculate it? It is sigma. First value is 3. 3, what is the mean? It is 9. 3 minus 9 whole square plus 5 minus 9 whole square plus 6 minus 9 whole square plus 7 minus 9 whole square plus 10 minus 9 whole square plus 12 minus 9 whole square plus 14 minus 9 whole square and plus 15 minus 9 whole square. And this upon is, if you will divide this, this is n minus 1, 8 minus 1. Okay, what it will get? What you will get? You will get 6 minus 9 is minus 6 whole square plus 5 minus 9 is minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 9 minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 whole square plus 10 minus 9 is 1 whole square plus 12 minus 9 is 3 whole square plus 5 whole square and plus 6 whole square, and this upon is 8 minus 1 is 7. With the help of calculator, if you will calculate it, what you will get? You will get 136 upon 7, and that is equal to 19.4. If you will divide it, you will get 19.4. And 19.4 is how much? If you will calculate the standard deviation, means square root, it is 4.4. And the last point in this is the variance. And variance is the simple thing. It is only the S square. S square means 4.4 whole power 2. And that will be 19.4. Clear? So this is how you can calculate all the 6 things for a given data. There is one question given in your book. If you want to calculate So there is a question number 4. Clear? So you can solve, and even in that question they ask you to find mean and mode. On page 98 I am talking, but you can calculate all 6 things with that question. Now the last question I am going to solve is question number 8. Question number 8, and that is on page number 98 again. Clear? What is the question? Question, they have given a table of values is given. It is given in the form of class, okay, of 30 sample students. You need to find mean and standard deviation. This is very expected question coming in every exam. You need to find mean and standard deviation. So what is the first thing is given? First thing is given class. It is, we will take the straight line, okay. After class is given frequency f, and then we will make a parallel line here. What are the classes? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, clear, and 60 to 70. This is the classes are given, and then you need to write the frequencies is 3, 3, 10, 3, 3, 10, 7, 4, 1, 2, 7, 4, 1 and 2. Okay. And we need sigma f. So sigma f they have given is 336, 16 plus 327, and this is 30. So they have given the frequency. Okay. Now because classes are given, so we need to find the x midpoint. Now question is how to find the midpoint. So you need to plus it. 0 plus 10 upon 2. It is 5. 0 first value, lower limit, upper limit, 0 plus 10 upon 2, 5. Here will be 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. This is the x mid. Okay. Then because to evaluate the standard deviation, what we need first? First we need the mean. So we will multiply f into x mid. Why? Because the formula for mean in case of class interval is sigma f into x mid upon sigma f. This is the formula. So you need to multiply it. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 3 is 45, 25 times is 250, 35 times 7, 7 times 35. It is 245, and 45 times 4, it is 180, 50 times 1 is 55, and 65 times 2 is 130. Now you need to find this sigma f x mid, and that will be equal to 5. We can use calculator, and what is this? 15 plus 45 plus 250 plus 245 plus 180 plus 55 and 130. This is 920. So this is 920. So what is the mean? Mean is sigma 920 upon 30. So you need to divide 920 divide by 30, and the answer is 30.6. So the mean coming is 30.6. Okay. So mean we have evaluated. Now the next digit, if I want to tell you, you need to calculate standard deviation. And what is the formula I told you? The formula is sigma f into x mid minus x bar whole power 2 upon it is sigma f minus 1. This is the formula. So first you need to find x mid minus x bar, then whole power 2, then multiply by f. Clear? So first we are going to find it here, the x minus x bar, x mid minus x bar. Okay, so we will calculate it here. First value I will tell you, x mid 5 minus how much? 30.6. It is 5 minus 30.6. So it is minus 25.6. Minus 25.6. Clear? Because x mid minus x bar. Then 15 minus 15. So it will be minus 15.6. Then it will be minus 5.6. 25 minus 30.6. Okay, then 35 minus, one more we will calculate with positive, 35 minus 30.6. So it is 4.4. So this value is 4.4, next value will be 14.4, next value will be 15.4, and the last value will be, it is 25.4. If you calculate it, you can calculate, it is 6.5 minus 30.6. So it will be, oh, what we have done, just wait, it is, we have calculating 65 minus 30.6. So it will be 34. Oh my god. Correct. What we have done here, 14.4, then 24.4, and then 34.4. Oh yes, now correct. Clear? So after evaluating this, then you need to find it. Then you need to find the whole square of all of this. It is x minus x bar whole square. Okay, so I will use the calculator in my hand, and then I will solve the calculation. It is in the, this is minus 25.6 whole square. So it is 655. It is how much? 655.36. Then 15.6 negative whole square. It is 243.36. 243.36. Then is minus 5.6. Square. It is 31.36. Then 4.4 square. 19.36. Then 14.4 whole square. It is 207.36. 24.4 whole square. It is 595.36. And then 34.4 whole square. It is 1183.36. Now you need to multiply it by f. It is a big one. F x, oh, this was x mid minus x bar whole square. Now you need to multiply these values with the help of, okay, So what it is, 655.36 multiply by f. F is 3. So it is 199,1966.08. Okay. Then 243.36 and multiply by the frequency again 3. It is 730.08. Now again is 10, so it is simple 313.6. Okay, now again is 19.36 and multiply by 7. It is 135.52. Now it is 207.36 multiply by 4. So it is 829.44, and then next is 1 multiply by 1. So 595.36, and the last one is 1183.36 multiply by 2. This is 2366.72. And my dear friends, then you need to find the sigma f x mid minus x bar whole square. Now what is this value? So let us use the calculator here, and it is 1966.08 plus 730.08 plus 313.6, yes, plus 135.52 plus 829.44 plus 595.36 plus, and the last one is 2366.72, and the answer is 6936.8. This is the value. Clear? So 6936.8. So S is equal to, standard deviation is equal to, this is 6936 point, let us check the value what it is, 0.8 and upon 30 minus 1. It is sigma f 30 minus 1. So it will be how much? Let us use the calculator, and it is 6936.8 divided by 29, and the answer is 239.2. 239.2, and if you will calculate 293.2 is calculate the square root, it will be 15.46. This is the standard deviation. And variance we have not asked. Variance, if you want to calculate, you can make it square. So variance in this case will be very simple. Variance is s square, that is 239. It is 239. Oh, 239. I do not know what is happening. 239. I do not know why this board is not working. Okay, no problem. Leave it the variance. You just focus on the two things here: how we calculate the mean and how we calculate the variance. And this is very, very important question. Generally asked in the exam with classes. Okay, so please prepare these questions. I'm sure it will be very helpful in your preparation in statistics. Thank you very much.